To download music on Apple Music for offline listening. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to download music on Apple Music for offline listening step by step. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and sign into your Apple account. Make sure you already have an active Apple Music subscription before downloading songs. Now, search for the song, album, or playlist you want to save offline. You can use the search button at the bottom of the app to find your music quickly. Next, tap the plus add button beside the song or album. This will add the music to your library first before downloading it. After adding the music, look for the download icon. It usually looks like a small arrow pointing downward. Now tap the download button to start saving the music to your device. Wait a few seconds while Apple Music downloads the song for offline listening. Once the download is complete, go to your library section, then tap downloading to see all the music available without internet access. You can now listen to your downloaded song anytime, even when you are offline or traveling. Another helpful step is automatic downloads. Go to your phone settings, open the Apple Music settings, and turn on automatic downloads. If you want newly added song to download automatically, my short tip is use Wi-Fi when downloading large playlists because high-quality music files can use a lot of mobile number. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.